Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook using an iPhone. Very easy, very simple guys, let's dive in. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Facebook app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where is your profile picture. Then I want you to click on the gear icon at the top right corner. When you're at settings and privacy, I want you to scroll down to the section that is called preferences. The last option in this section is dark mode. When you click on it, you essentially will have the functions to either switch it on off. In our case, it could be off, it could be on. But the main point I want to show you in this video is that you can actually choose a third option, which is making the Facebook to match the theme that you have on your device. For example, if you click the third option, Facebook will match my theme that I have on my phone. For example, if you set a dark theme on your iPhone, this is what the Facebook will match. If I had a light theme, right, and when I click match, it will simply becomes light, as you can see over here. Very easy guys, very simple. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.